Welcome to Adalis Backyard Garden. This video is about growing cilantro. We will share some information about how we grow cilantro here in our backyard, some tips and tricks to slow down the bolting in the cilantro, especially in hot regions and places like Dallas where the heat is so high during the summer months. Cilantro or coriander leaves, as it is called in many parts of the world, is a cool season crop. That means it grows really well during the spring season and during the fall season just because the weather is so cool. We have cilantro growing in 4 different containers and we started them at different intervals so that we will have a continuous supply of cilantro during the summer months. Now for our potting mix for growing cilantro, we use 1 part peat moss, 1 part good quality compost and 1 part any old potting soil. You can see how light and fluffy this potting soil is, and this is exactly what we need for cilantro. If you have some sand in your backyard, you can just add 1 handful of loose sand into this. That will help in the drainage. I have used the slow bolt variety of cilantro and another cilantro variety from the local store here. I have soaked some seeds and I'm going to also try it without soaking. I'm in this pot I'm going to try using the cilantro from my kitchen, and you can see that I'm adding a generous amount of earthworm casting. That is the only fertilizer I'll be using in all the pots, and that gave me the best result. This is the kitchen cilantro, and you can see that this one is the only one that gave me um, the worst result, or it is the one that bolted the first. So technically not much of leaves, and it just bolted so quickly. This is the soaked one. In this container I'm going to use the seeds that are not soaked, and you can see the results after 7 days. All of them sprouted pretty well. The unsoaked ones were just 6 hours behind the soaked seeds. In 6 hours time it caught up with the soaked seeds, and so my conclusion is that soaking doesn't help in any way. It just adds one more step to the process. Cilantro seeds from my kitchen sprouted after a few days, but it was so quick to bolt. I had this growing in another part of the raised bed, and you can see how quickly it bolted without any leaves. So I don't think it's a good idea to use the cilantro seeds that we use for cooking. It's always good to invest in some good quality seed, and especially the slow bolt variety. You can see that after 11 days, most of the seeds sprouted, and this is the result after 23 days. You can see that a lot of the seeds of the cilantro have sprouted and they are doing pretty good. In about 5 weeks time, this is how the cilantro looks and it's ready to be harvested. None of them have bolted, unlike the ones from the um, kitchen. Cilantro is one green leafy herb that doesn't need much of fertilizer. A good helping of earthworm casting is all that it needs for lush green leaves. If you want, you can also use a high nitrogen fish emulsion, but that is just optional. You can see that some of the cilantro in another pot has already bolted, even though this is the slow bolt variety, but after 5 to 6 weeks it starts to bolt at temperatures above 80 Fahrenheit. This is how we fertilize our cilantro. We add a generous handful of earthworm casting all over the base of the pot, and we also do this about 10 to 15 days. You can see that cilantro doesn't need a very deep container. It can grow very easily in shallow containers. This is the shade cloth that we sometimes use to prolong the bolting of cilantro. You can also leave your cilantro in shade. The best technique when the temperatures are about 80 Fahrenheit is to leave your cilantro indoors so you can have cilantro throughout the year. Now this is the update of our moringa plants, the 3 of them that we overwintered, and you can see how it is grown We've also harvested some more rounds of the amaranth, and this is the second round. You can see we have thinned out the saplings, and we have used all of these greens. Thank you for watching our videos. If you like these kind of videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.